Let's optimize your laptop battery settings.
Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into second video of maximizing laptop battery life part 2. Today I've got some practical tips for maximize your laptop's battery time.
Screen brightness.
Keeping the screen brightness low is very important to maximize battery. Most of the laptop battery percentage is used to keep the screen bright. So, set that brightness to a comfortable level. It saves your eyes and battery.
Use genuine softwares.
Don't use cracked softwares. Because cracked software gets more power to run their malware in the background. Then, I do not recommend to use cracked software. I hope to make another video to explain about cracked softwares. Also reduce the use of third-party softwares. They are not optimized perfectly for your hardwares.
Microsoft PC Manager.
You can optimize your laptop with Microsoft PC Manager. It is perfect optimization tool for Windows laptops. Because it is not third-party application. Then you can use it to optimize performance and extend battery life.
System updates.
System updates are the most important things to do for improve your system. Because Windows updates fix system bugs and enhance security. These updates also optimize your hardware, contributing to better battery life. And also BIOS updates are vital for optimizing your system's hardware with fix bugs and enhance overall stability.
Dark mode.
You can use dark mode to save more power. Because dark mode helps to keep screen with low lights. Then dark mode is very helpful feature to save battery. And also it helps to make your eyes comfortable. You can turn on dark mode in system settings and also automatically other apps change for this dark mode.
And unnecessary tasks.
Optimize your system's performance and save battery life is by disabling unused background tasks. You can do this through the Task Manager. Look for unnecessary apps running in the background and stop them. Additionally, consider enabling the efficiency mode if your system is Windows 11.
Go to offline.
You can save battery power by avoiding wireless connections such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Additionally, working offline can help extend your battery life. And you can turn off additional features like keyboard backlight etc. to save your battery time.
Turn off visual effects.
Your battery power is drained by OS visual effects and colorful wallpapers. To conserve energy, consider disabling animations and visual effects. Additionally, switching to a dark wallpaper can help. And also, you can reduce your screen resolution to save battery time. You can get your battery report without any software with typing this command on command prompt. Remember, optimizing your laptop battery settings is crucial for prolonging both your laptop's lifespan and your battery's longevity. By following these tips, you'll be able to use your laptop more efficiently and enjoy extended battery life.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips.